third day here in Jamaica, and we are right now getting ready to go head downstairs to get our COVID testing scheduled so we can return back to America on Monday. And then we're going on our first official excursion off property, which is going to be Martha Brae. I can never say it. Martha Brae. So if you guys want to experience Martha Brae with us, keep on watching. It's a little while later and we have made it off of this one place. It's a little while later. We have made it to our excursion finally. We literally just got off the boat. We literally just got off the bus. And we're about to check in. We're doing a quick bathroom break back there for those. And then we're gonna head to the raft. So here's the river. That will be going on, I think. Dressed and ready to go, suited and booted. You like our outfit? Thumbs up for these outfits. The Davis peoples all back there.
Y'all ready to jump off this time?
Huh?
Y'all ready to jump off? Yeah?
Jump off what?
The raft.
That's 3 of y'all. Alright, now I'm nervous.
Yours is more quiet than around here. Don't look at you. Yours more rushy.
I don't like doing water.
She afraid of large bodies of water.
Okay.
Taller than that.
Are you scared? Yes. Carol, don't run to nobody. Fire him. Fire him. The conversation, but whew, we just still going here rafting. Kayla and Freddie are back there still. I can't zoom in, but they back there. Just had the
get Freddie to work.
Get Freddie to work.
Basket up.
Had an impromptu photo shoot back there. Okay, these crickets are loud. Oh. Kayla got her own little photographer. Go ahead. Freddie working hard, but the
working hard.
But the photographer working harder. officially done with the rafting, and we are about to head back on the bus to head back over to Ocho Rios, which is like an hour drive.
Trying to remember.
Yeah, that guy misplaced his wallet. I'm assuming it's in the hotel room because he changed his clothes. After he left the room, he went back to change clothes. I think he forgot to take it out of his pants, but he thinks that he took it out of the pants. Now we don't know where it's at. So it's great to experience being in the Jamaica roads with no money. We're like literally on the road with no money. I didn't bring my wallet because he is the money guy. I just brought myself. Alright, so gonna get back on the bus and head back to the hotel. We have made it back to the resort and it is now 5:11. We have a dinner reservation at 7, but guess what?
Sure.
We didn't have no lunch. And we barely had breakfast. Oh, yeah. So we are heading to the jerk hut right now to get something to eat, take it back to the room, and we'll eat while we're getting ready for dinner.
All inclusive. Enjoy it.
Right. Gotta get your money worth, people.
I don't eat. She knows this.
Yeah, he's the worst eater that I know. So whenever he say let's eat, I'm like, oh, you sure? Yeah, there it is.
Look at this beautiful sunset, guys.
Well, that was a fail because the jerk hut is closed. We missed it by like 13 minutes.
Yeah.
So plan B. I don't know what plan B is. When I figure it out, y'all will see. Ended up at the pizza and panini spot. So let's see what we get. Got pizza. And then over here you got sandwiches. We had this one this morning. We're at Mama tonight. Dinner is served. You gonna eat chopsticks?
Yeah.
Eat chopsticks. Yes, we got fried rice, steak, salmon, chicken, shrimp, vegetables, everything. And this drink is called the... What is this called?
Teriyaki shrimp?
No, the drink.
The what? Drink.
I don't know. Rising Dawn? I don't know.
That's it, Rising Dawn.
The show is done. We made a quick little stop at this coffee and treat place on the way to our room. Damion went and got his chocolate milk again. It tastes like Milo, so I went and got me one too.
Milo.
So we are heading back to our room, guys. We're calling it a night. Thank you guys for watching. Whew.
And go.
And we will see you guys tomorrow.